Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about how a scammer almost got you.
Almost did, bro. Almost did. Now, the writing is a little too small on this. You have to take over this one. This came to me as an email, right? So what do I do? First thing, I look at the source of where it's coming from, right? Because this looks pretty legit, right? Then I started laughing. Then I immediately forward this to my Uber people. I go, what is it? Like, is my name like floating all over the place now? Do people have accounts under my name? Because how would I get this email otherwise? I'm sure my email got compromised. Or some scammer watched the show, actually, because it came to Sergio at the Rideshareguy.com. Now, if it had come to my Uber email address, then I would have taken this a little bit more seriously. It took me about 10 seconds to figure this is a scam. And look what it says, Chris. First of all, where did the email come from?
It came from uber.uber.agent@gmail.com.
Okay, so that's your first clue, folks.
So
That's your
it's an
first clue.
Uber agent.
Yeah, that's your first clue. Okay. Gmail.com. Yeah, sure. That's your first clue. The second clue is, if you want to read it, look at that English, bro. That's a little like no punctuation. And it says, we're sorry about the problems you're having, but why don't you send us your, like, I think it's somewhere in the middle. I can't see it. It's just too small. What does it say there? It says, like, send me your credentials or something, right?
It says, thank you for reaching out to us. So you reached out to them, apparently.
I did, yeah.
How frustrating it must be to experience issues with your account. I truly appreciate you bringing this to our attention. Our team is already reviewing your concern. We'll do everything possible to resolve it as quickly as we can. In the meantime, could you please confirm the following details to help the investigate faster? The email or phone number linked to your Uber account, a brief description of what you experienced, can't log in, payment problem, missing trip, any error message or screenshot if available. Once we receive this information, we'll update you with the next steps right away, which means they will want you to log in and do stuff or something else. But
yeah, and then
thank you
empty
again
your
for your
bank
patience.
account.
Yeah. Thank you again for your patience and being part of the Uber community.
Mm.
You make sure this gets sorted out soon.
So, to me, an experienced person, this looks completely illegitimate. This bullshit, right? I was like laughing, and then I did send it to Uber, and they go like, he goes, my contact at Uber said nobody will fall for this. I said, you'll be very surprised how many people would fall for this, right? And especially if you're newbie or you don't watch us or whatever. So if you do get stuff like this, folks, first of all, Uber does not call you, period, unless you get in a crash. Then they'll call you because they have the data from your gyroscope. Uber support never calls you. So if they call you and say, hey, we have a VIP for you to pick up, all these old things that we talked about, scams. So this was obviously a phishing scam, phishing scam. And I was like, yep, go F yourselves. Don't even respond to these things, by the way. And sometimes there'll be a link in these things. You can open the email, but do not click on that link, because then they'll install malware on your computer and then all kinds of shit could go wrong. So just don't do anything. I will go delete in the trash can, empty your trash can, you'll be good to go. But don't fall for these things, folks. Don't fall for it.
Yeah. They're going to contact you a number of different ways, and it's all at the same time as well too. So it's going to be in your app, so you'll get an in-app notification. So if you open up your app, you will actually see the notification. They will email you, and it's usually also a text. So that is the three ways that they will do it all at the same time.
So this person already, okay, listen, you posted the same shit 4 times already. So if you do that, I'm gonna boot you, number one, but I'll respect your question and answer it. It is too simplistic. If you don't understand, if you've been an Uber driver for a while, the crucial question is how they obtain the driver's email address. This is not my driver email address. This is Sergio at the rideshareguy.com, which is public for the last God knows how many freaking years now, right? So that's your first clue that they sent it to. If they had sent it to my Uber account email address, then I would have said, okay, well, we have something here. Then I would have been more concerned actually that my Uber account email address has been compromised. So this, they sent it to Sergio at rideshareguy.com. I think the whole world has fucking Sergio at rideshareguy.com email. So
Well, except for the people that are like, what's that email again? What's Sergio's email again?
yeah,
Come
no,
on.
I'm sure somebody will ask that today.
I'm sure. I got screenshots. What's your email? But either way, the moral of the story is when you get these texts, because there's a lot of texts as well. And then same thing, there's a lot of rider scams that happen. So go back and refresh because we've done several videos talking about it. Some of the things may have changed in terms of text, but the basic premise of it is still all the same. So just be aware of those things that Uber will never contact you and try to get your information or anything like that.
Yep, that's true.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.